In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change color in Untitled boxing game. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly customize the colors in Untitled boxing game. So if I walk close to this dummy here, you will notice that it flashes red when it does a light or heavy punch. We are actually able to change this color. And all that we have to do is go over to this menu over here at the top left corner of the screen. So instead of pausing the game and going over to the settings, you have to click on the settings icon inside of Untitled Boxing Game itself. When you click on this settings icon, you will be able to find all of the options, including the one that we're looking for, highlight colors. When you click on this option, you will now be able to change the highlight color to any of the colors available on this wheel here. And as you can see now, the enemy is flashing green when it does an attack. And you can change this as many times as you wish. All that you have to do is use this color wheel and choose the appropriate color. Now, there are some colors that people prefer to use because they are easier to identify, but of course you can mess around however you prefer. And just choose the one that satisfies you. Make sure that you click on the check mark there and it will be applied instantly across all players on either private or public servers. There are other options that you can change, but for the most part, this is the only one that refers to the colors of the attack. And you can change it to whatever you like. So try out different colors, see what you prefer, and as long as it's not something like white, you should be able to easily identify when your opponent is throwing out punches, which is extremely important because you need to know the timing to dodge and also counter them. I hope I was able to help you on how to change color in Untitled boxing game. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.